Hello and welcome to Echoes of the Luos. In Luo culture, a fight between a husband and a wife is not the end of the world. Couples argue. That is human. But the Luo drew a very clear line. There are things a wife must never use against her husband during a fight. Because crossing this line does not just hurt the marriage, it invites Chira. And Chira can mean death. These are the three forbidden things. Number 1, her underwear or Chupi. Hitting a husband with her underwear or throwing it at him in anger is a serious violation. A woman's underwear carries intimate feminine energy. It belongs to the most private part of the body. To use it against her husband is believed to spiritually overpower and weaken him in a way the ancestors considered deeply wrong. Number 2, the cooking pot or cooking utensils. The cooking pot feeds the family every day. It is one of the most sacred objects in the Luo home. Using it as a weapon turns the source of life into a source of harm. The elders believed this polluted not just the pot, but everything cooked in it and everyone who ate from it. Number 3, grabbing his private part. Grabbing, pulling, or exposing a husband's private part during a fight is the most severe of the three. This is not just physical. In Luo belief, it is a direct spiritual attack on his manhood and his authority as head of the home. The consequences were believed to be swift and severe, falling not just on him, but on the entire household. Now let's look at how the Chira was undone. When any of these three things happened, the community did not ignore it. The elders were called immediately. The cure had 2 parts. Part 1, manyasi. The elders prepared a special herbal concoction called manyasi. Both the husband and the wife were required to drink it, and drink a lot of it. Manyasi was not just medicine for the body, it was a spiritual cleanser. It cooled the anger in the blood. It prepared both people to receive restoration. Neither of them could refuse it. This was not optional. Part 2, mandatory union. After the manyasi, the elders gave one final instruction. The husband and wife were ordered to be intimate before the night was over. This was not punishment, this was the seal. The Luo believed that intimacy between a husband and a wife was a spiritual covenant, not just a physical act, and only through that covenant could the breach be fully closed. The Chira that had entered the home through the violation could only live through the restoration of unity between the two people at the center of it. By morning, if both steps had been followed, the home was considered clean. The ancestors were satisfied. Life continued. 3 things, 1 taboo, 1 cure. Chupi, Agulu, Oyunga. Never to be used against a husband, because in Luo culture, the sacred must never become a weapon. And when it did, manyasi and the restoration of union were the only way back. This is Echoes of the Luos. More taboos are coming. If you like this kind of content, remember to follow and subscribe. Thank you.